We're gonna make it. It's right there.
I can see the skyscraper in the distance there.
Yeah, I can see it.
That is the tallest building in South America, right?
Yes, so they say.
So Chile says.
Yeah, until the next. No, but that was built during the huge. What was 9.5, 9.6?
In 2010.
Yeah.
I wasn't here.
Yeah, it was built and not even a broken glass. Because it's built with the most updated technology. They have like rubber bands and stuff, and even the base is over some blades.
That's the anti-seismological technology, a bunch of rubber bands like wrapped around the building.
What is made in Japan? They're built for... Entonces ubícame. ¿Qué es eso que está acá? Es el de abajo, el rojo. Estos edificios rojos de acá.
No idea. Let me try to guess. Yeah, but I'm trying to guess. Where is that located?
Porque ¿dónde está la torre más alta? Ah, ya. Ah, ok, ya sé dónde está. ¿Los dominicos está para ese lado?
Santiago, the other side. Even snow in the distance there. Google Earth view number 2.
El trekking, el hiking es un tema de actitud. Uno sube
Santiago.
la determinación de la voluntad. Porque muchas veces uno está cansado, le empieza a oler algo, empieza a exagerar.
Looks like we're going up on this ridge here.
Pero entonces uno dice, no, yo voy a llegar, o sea, está out of the question que yo me vuelvo.
Por eso quiero saber dónde.
Mira, aquí a 1 kilómetro y de subida. From there we're going to have a great view to Slomo and stuff. To Aconcagua and Everest.
Hey, did they sign up for the hiking group? Are they supposed to be here?
Vaca. No sabe que su nombre es vaca antipática. Juanita. No sé.
You're a cow, you know that? Poor cow.
She doesn't know English. Okay. Speak to her in Spanish. Hey, you're going to be a famous cat.
And the summit.
I have a leak on my camelback.
Oh, really?
So I'm now officially a wetback.
Oh, you're a wetback now.
And an ass back, a wet ass, wet back. Look at this.
Oh, wet.
And my wind racing.
Okay, I need a break.
This is the part where you have to put your second leg. drive.
So which way would be west?
I don't know.
You know that. Which way is west from here?
I guess there.
Probably that way?
Yeah.
That's cool.
No, no queda mucho. Claro.
So is that the real summit? Up there. Oh, this is good enough for me.
Creo que sí, yo soy un solo calambre.